Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let's get into the class. So user, I'm writing the problem statement. So user need to take the user input and user need to take an array of size n and user need to take the user inputs up to n and store them in the array and need to print each value line by line. So which means, for example, I have given n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. So I'll give 7 inputs until 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will store all these things in the array. I will store all these things in the array. So now I have to just print it. Just have to print it same whatever the numbers which are present in array. I have to print it. That's it. I have to print like this. So you need to print like this. This is the output. You have to store all these numbers in the array and whatever the array elements which are present in array, you have to print in the output. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So import java.util.star. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. And here I'll give n is equal to sc.nextIn. And I will give an array new in of size n. And I will give for loop which starts with I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. And I will store all the elements in the array sc.next and now I have to print each element, right? Each element. So I will give I will traverse on that array until n, and I will just print it each element in the array. I will print on same line. So to print on next line, you have to use println. And if you want to print on same line, you have to use just print. That's it. So I will give some space between each and every element. So the program is completed. So let's run this program. So there is no errors. And I'll give let's run this program again. Okay. 7 is the n, and I have to give 7 inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 have to print on the same line with the space. See here, you can see, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the same line. So this is how we can store the values in the array, and we can print those values in the array. So I hope you understand this problem. And if you have any doubts in the problem, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video And please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube. Or otherwise, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.